Have you noticed that there's a lack of a comprehensive, up-to-date resource to learn VR? Yes, there's Unity Learn, where you can learn the XR Interaction Toolkit, and yes, there's YouTube, where you can kind of assemble this weird conglomeration of videos, of tutorials that don't really go together, and some are out of date, and it becomes this huge time suck where you have to figure out which one is which and which are useful. And I noticed this myself when I started to get into VR several years ago. I have heard from a lot of you that this is also what you're experiencing. So you know by now that I've been working on the course, and here I need your help. So this shouldn't be made in a vacuum. This course really shouldn't just be me going off into my corner and making it and coming back in 6 months with a finished course to give you. It needs a few brave individuals who'd be willing to give their time and money to help me make this a reality. And so, at the very beginning of this course's creation, I'm offering you a trade. So if you are brave and put your trust in me to buy the course at the very beginning when it's not completed yet, then I am going to, in return, give you the course at the cheapest price that it's ever going to be. We're doing a 60% discount off of the price for 4 days only, and then we're closing the cart and not letting anyone buy it for another several months. So it's going to be a very exclusive, very discounted price for a few individuals. Lowest price is ever going to be. You get access to weekly calls with me. So every single week, we are going to go through and talk about what content was just added to the course. Was it good? What needs to be reworked? What questions you have? We're going to talk about all of it. And I'm even going to just answer specific development questions that you have for Unity, for VR, everything. So weekly calls until the course is done. So you get a weekly call with me, and if you can't make it, we're going to record all of them, and there'll be transcripts, all of that. And you get lifetime access. So when the course is finished, you bought it at the cheapest price it's ever going to be, you get lifetime access to it for as many years as you want this course, and I am going to be continuously updating it. This is going to be my main job, effectively, for the next several years. And just to make you feel a little more safe, I will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked at any point during this whole process. So the big launch, if you're watching this video the day it goes live, the big launch is tomorrow. It's going to be August 29th at noon Eastern time. And you'll be able to buy the course for 4 days. So it's going to end on Thursday at midnight Eastern time. We're only going to keep it open. The whole website's going to be taken down after Thursday at midnight. Tomorrow, I'm going to post another video. It's going to do a deep dive of kind of what everything is included in the course. It's going to give you the actual price and all that. And so until then, take the VR developer quiz down in the description and see if you're ready to jump into the VR industry. I'll see you tomorrow.